Welcome back, class. Today we are going back to the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. And as you know, heterotrophic organisms, heterotrophs, they are the organisms which are showing heterotrophic nutrition. So these organisms do not prepare their own food, but they directly or indirectly depend on other organisms or other plants or animals for food. So in this heterotrophic nutrition, we are going to take up the first category, that is the parasitic nutrition. As you can see, there is a picture here where the dodder plant is shown here. It is somewhat a plant which you might have seen in your parks, which looks like yellow long stem like structure. And this particular plant, yellow body plant, it just twines around the green plant and draws its nutrition from there. I have taken a picture. This picture, you will see there is one cuscuta, one dodder plant. It is just moving around this host plant. This is host plant, the green plant on which it will grow. And now this will derive its nutrition from the host plant. And now after the full growth, you will see a huge bunch of cuscuta over there. This is the dodder plant. So dear students, what is parasite? What are parasitic mode of nutrition? What are parasitic plants? You should understand. It is a plant that lives on another plant and derives its nutrition from the latter. The latter plant, that the plant on which it is growing, will be called the host, and the host will, after a few days, the host will start showing the symptoms of damage and the slow growth. We have found that the types of parasites are two, the total parasites and the partial parasites. They completely depend on organisms for food, but they partially depend. They take the water and minerals, and rest they do the photosynthesis. Examples: total parasites, the dodder. And there is a one interesting plant, Rafflesia. The Rafflesia, they are, I have a small picture over here, you can see. Rafflesia, it is the largest flower and 5 petals. This corpse flower bhi bolte hain because it stinks badly. This the discovery of this Rafflesia, the name given to it is it is holding a special story which we will discuss later. Rafflesia and dodder, they are the two plants which are showing the complete total parasite nutrition. See this yellow color structure, it is twining around this green plant. It will be, the cuscuta will be having the special roots from which it will take the nutrition. Now you can make your own notes like this, that how I have written point by point. These plants depend partially or completely. They have special roots. They prepare, they take the prepared food from the host plant. And cuscuta, long thread like yellow stem. It twines around host stem and it sucks the nutrients through hostoria. It is also called amarvale. Lot of names have been given to this cuscuta and the dodder, right, and the Rafflesia. Dear students, there is one picture here. This is showing the mistletoe. You might have heard this word in your carols, the Christmas carols we sing. So mistletoe, this is a partial parasite. You can see the green structure is there. Dodder is completely yellow. This is green somewhat, but yellow fruits are there. This is partial parasite. So we can wind up with our revision cap. This is our revision sheet. Now what you can see, the parasitic plant. What type of plant is this? It is a heterotrophic. Why heterotrophic? Because it is depending on other plants or organisms for nutrition. And what are the examples? Amarvale, the Rafflesia, the mistletoe. Then what are the two types? It has the total parasite, it can be partial parasite. The plant on which it is growing will be called host, and the host will later on show the stunted growth. Stunted means the stopped growth. Now the question comes, you can write it in your chat box. Give examples of the total parasite and give example of the partial parasite. Hope you have understood this heterotrophic nutrition. The picture is clear in front of you. This is the dodder plant, amarbale, cuscuta. This is mistletoe. And this is rafflesia, the biggest flower. Thank you, class.